Hi, Zach. I really enjoyed the information that you provided in your presentation. I really enjoyed the time and effort you put into your presentation to make it something that you can use in your future as an educational leader. I thought it was great how you put examples of ineffective assessments into your presentation. I did not think of giving those kind of examples in my own presentation. This was a good idea because some people watching this presentation could see some of those types of assessments and recognize if they happen to be doing them in their classroom and see that they are not really benefiting their students. This can also help prevent teachers from conducting those types of assessments. I know when those things are laid out in front of me, I can personally assess and see if I am using those types of assessments in my own classroom and realize that those maybe shouldn't be the ones I should be using, but rather some of the ones that are effective in helping students. And I know many other teachers can relate to this. As future educational leaders, it is important to provide feedback to our teachers. This can help them understand what we are trying to help them accomplish and sometimes even show them what we may want them to change or continue not to do. Showing and speaking about the types of assessments to avoid gives a clear example of what not to focus on. By providing these examples through feedback to our teachers, they can personally assess what kind of assessments they are using and see if they need to improve them. Thank you for completing this presentation and providing great information. I hope that your school year is great and that you are safe and healthy and happy.